Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You already have FL Studio open and a project loaded. Press space to confirm sound plays. Once done, open the mixer with F9 so you can control the master channel directly. You need to know where the master fader and its small mute/power button are. These are the fastest way to stop all output without changing drivers. Make sure the mixer shows the master strip at the far right. That's where you'll act and why we start here. Now mute the master to turn off playback. Click the small power/mute button on the master strip. This immediately silences every channel. If you prefer a gradual method, drag the master fader all the way down to -infinity. That reduces level rather than toggling audio. Once muted, press space to confirm there's no sound. If you only want selected instruments off, right-click their mixer tracks and choose mute. This explains how and why muting at master is the quickest universal stop. Finish by saving with Ctrl+S so your mute state persists. This prevents accidental playback later. If audio continues, make sure external devices aren't bypassing FL Studio, disable your audio interface in Options Audio Settings, or switch the output to a dummy/null device temporarily. Also check system sound. Sometimes Windows or Mac OS routings send audio directly to speakers. If muting fails, unplug speakers or disable the system output. These checks usually
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.